how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm taking for you new topic. Topic name is Adobe Acrobat Reader Edit PDF. You can see about 5 million review and 49 MB rated for 3 plus and download 500 millions. First show you about review in this application. I have purchased this app many times over the years and pay one price and own it till the next version came out. During the year you will receive updates which were fixes to the bugs that were in the program. No charge was purchased. Adobe was in 1993 and every year or so now it's a constant money grabber every month if not more often, and it broke down in many parts. I don't know about anyone else, but I can't afford this but can't do without it. Somebody make a PDF app for one price for all. Number two is this app is very useful for when reading PDF files on mobile. However, as an editing tool, very fast it has a very limited front selection. I tried searching the web but I cannot find any means to add even just Arial on the available fonts. Even the Creative Cloud app does not have that feature, or that I could not find it in the app. Please do help since this is a very useful app on the go. Third is it is a shame to have to need something like this is so I can print PDF files. This says it's for all files, but many downloads from websites are not able to be opened with this app. All I want to do is be able to print to a wireless printed. I cannot decrease font size to print less page. I tried edit but apparently the extras all cost money. It's 2022 and reading, editing and printing PDF should be as standard as automatic door locks on a car. I will be looking for something else. Okay, I will show about this app. Work from home with confidence with Adobe Trusted Document Security. Do you need to work with documents on the go? Get the Adobe Acrobat Reader mobile app, the world's most trusted PDF viewer with more than 635 million installed. Store your files online and read PDF files anywhere with the leading free PDF reader and file manager. You can also view, share, annotate, and add e-signatures to PDF documents. With a premium subscription, you can use Acrobat Reader as a PDF editor to edit text and images, a PDF converter to export to and from PDF, or use other advanced features to create PDFs, combine PDF documents, organize PDFs, and more. View and print PDFs. Open and view PDFs with the free Adobe PDF Viewer app. Choose single page or continuous scroll mode. Help save battery with dark mode. Print documents directly from your device. Read PDFs more easily. Get the best PDF reading experience with liquid mode. Content in your Content in your PDF document reflows to fit your screen. Use the liquid mode outline for quick navigation. Search to find text fast in your PDF documents. Share PDFs and collaborate. Share files for commenting or viewing. Collect comments from multiple people in one file online. Speed document review by responding to each other's comments. Receive activities notifications for files you have shared. Annotate PDFs. Add PDF notes and comments including sticky notes and highlight. Write on PDF document by adding text or drawings. Share a file with others to collect all comments in one place. You can see the about this application. If you want to download this application, just press the install button and your application will be downloaded. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come to you with new topic. Take care. Bye bye.